People do weird things for money. There are many working people with odd jobs, from smelling paper towels to snuggling with someone. Not only are these jobs unbelievably weird, but the workers get paid a ton. Here are 10 weird jobs people get paid a lot of money to do. Number 10. Professional snuggler. Even though this job may sound odd to you, many people pay for this service. The average professional snugglers get paid a lot of money, which is probably ideal for the imaginable awkwardness of this job. These professional snugglers usually get paid $60 to $80 an hour for their services. Number 9. Dog food tester. Taste testing is a common job, but when you think of taste testing, you probably think of tasting human food, but people get paid to taste dog food. Dog food brands hire people to test their dog food and judge it based on things like flavor, nutrition, and they even judge the food by its packaging. Luckily, most dog food testers spit the dog food out before ingesting it. Aside from all the weirdness, they do get paid a ton of food testers' salary, usually around $40K on average. Number 8. Water slide tester. This one isn't so much weird and odd, but absolutely fun and cool. A water slide tester travels to different water parks and tests the slide's performance, how fun it is, and a tester will also tell the water slide company if there are any safety concerns. Although it is fun to ride the slides and get cash, traveling to many countries and different locations can sometimes be strenuous. Their salary averages from around $30,000. Do you think you could be a successful water slide tester? Number 7. Face feeler. You probably think this is a made-up job, but believe it or not, it's a real job. Face feelers test people who are using things like cleansing products on their face. After someone has used a face product, a face feeler uses their sensory skills to judge the product that is being used. Face feelers are also called sensory scientists, who are experts at feeling faces. Face feelers work a few hours a day and they're paid around $25 an hour. Number 6. Golf ball diver. If you've watched golf, you know that sometimes the ball is hit into the water. A golf ball diver's job is to go and get the golf balls that fall into the water. Although this job seems easy, it can be extremely dangerous, and you have to have strong muscle in order to drag a large bag of golf balls out of water. Golf ball divers dive into water that sometimes has alligators and other dangers, and they collect golf balls. Then they sell the balls, or they return them to the golf course, depending on if they're independent contractors or if they are providing a paid service to a golf course. Being that this job is really challenging, golf ball divers get paid $50K, $100K annually. Number 5. Line sitters. Don't you hate when you go somewhere and there's a ton of people and the lines are really, really long? The worst thing is when you have to wait in those lines. Luckily, you can pay someone to wait in line for you. There are many companies that will sit in lines so you don't have to. This job sounds boring, but you're basically doing nothing and you're getting paid loads. Some people have even made $1,500 waiting in line for someone who wanted an iPhone. Line sitters usually get paid $20, which is pretty good based on the fact that you are just standing or sitting around. Number 4. Personal shopper. Most people enjoy getting clothes and shopping, but sometimes it is hard to make decisions. Personal shoppers give advice on what you should buy. This may seem like an easy job, but it can sometimes be difficult. As a personal shopper, you have to form relationships with your clients and understand their styles. Freelancing personal shoppers usually make $65 an hour. Number 3. Paper towel sniffer. This job is odd, I'll admit, but you'll be lucky if you get it. This job is really hard to get due to it not having many openings. Paper towel sniffers get paid to smell paper towels to make sure that they don't have any weird or odd smells before they're sold. It is extremely hard to get a job sniffing paper towels, and it is said that it's easier to get an acting job in Hollywood. This odd job usually pays around $1,000 a week for smelling paper towels. Number 2. Ice cream taster. This job is pretty cool, and anyone who loves ice cream will probably love this job. Even though anyone can taste ice cream flavors and tell you whether they're good or not, this job can only be done by food scientists. The food scientists are to judge the ice cream based on its taste, color, flavor, smell, texture, and how it looks. Sometimes they even invent new ice cream flavors. These scientists get paid $100K every year, which isn't bad for eating ice cream. Number 1. Live mannequin. This is probably the most boring job around today. These people are paid to stand still for hours. This probably sounds odd, but live models can be more effective than the plastic ones. This job certainly is not for any random person. This job requires someone who is able to stand still for hours. Even though this job is hard, it does pay well. Live mannequins can usually receive a decent $100 an hour.